Okay, so what I would like you guys to do now is to try and attempt this question here. It's asking you to find the area of this triangle ABC. So you can't just do half base times height because it's not a right angled triangle and you don't know the perpendicular height. So you'll need to use the formula that the area of a triangle is equal to half AB sine C. Just remember that the angle needs to be enclosed by two sides. So if you were going to use 58 here, then you would need this side and this side. If you were going to use 47, then you would need this side and this side. Okay, so pause the video now and have a go at this question, and then I'll answer it in just a moment for you. Okay, so there's the question. So the first thing that we need is, if we're going to use that area formula, which was the area is equal to half AB sine C, then we need an angle and two of the sides enclosed. So I'm going to try to use this angle here, 58 degrees, and I would like this side and this side here. The problem is, of course, that I don't have this side at the moment. So I'm going to use the sine rule, as I have two angles, and then I have two sides involved that I need. The problem on this one, and this is what may have caught a few of you out, is that if you're going to use this side here, then you will need this angle opposite here. So you'll just need to use the fact that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if you add together the two other angles, you'll get that they add up to 105 degrees. So take that away from 180, and you will find that angle A is equal to 75 degrees. So angle A there is already given to you, which is 75 degrees. The opposite side is going to be called side A. So I said that I wanted this side here, so the one which is blank. So I can use this angle, and this side opposite I will call B. And that's what I'm going to be looking for first of all. So to find out what B is, I can set up my equation that A over sine A, so over sine of 75, is equal to B, which I don't know at the moment, over sine of 47. Again, I'm looking for B, and it's being divided by sine of 47. So I can multiply both sides by sine of 47. And that will tell me that B is equal to 220 times by sine 47 divided by sine of 75 degrees. So you could just type that into your calculator, and you'll get that B is equal to 166.5736747. Our answer is needed to three significant figures, so I'm just going to round this to four significant figures for the time being. So that's going to be 166.6 meters. So now I can label what I have here, 166.6 meters, and then to use this formula I need an angle and the two enclosing sides. So I need this bit of information here. Then I've just got to substitute it straight into that formula. So that's going to be that the area is equal to a half. A is 220, B is 166.6, and then times by sine of C, so sine of 58 degrees. You can literally type that into your calculator, and that will give you the answer of 15,541.32941 meters squared. So remember, it's an area, so it should be meters squared there. It wants it to three significant figures, so I'm going to count along three significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. It's a 4 here, so that means it's going to round down. So it's going to be 15,500 meters squared, and that's going to be your answer. Okay, so that's the end of the lesson today. Hopefully you found it useful. If not, or there's bits that you don't understand, remember just to leave me a comment and show me how I can try to address those, and just go through any questions that people have in a separate video, just in case there's something you don't understand. Remember, try to use things like Hegarty maths and Corbett maths, as well as just this video, to try and understand things more fully. Okay, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.